Hey, what's up guys, this is Abhinav here. Lava has launched its new phone AGNI 3 today. It has India's first 4.41 cm 1.74 inch secondary AMOLED display in the back along with the camera bump. It is called InstaScreen. It can be used as a viewfinder to click high quality photos with back camera, check notifications, manage calls and view updates like charging information. It has 1.5K curved AMOLED display, 17.22 cm, 6.78 inch. It has action key like latest iPhone. You can single click, double click or long press to switch between functions and apps like flashlight and recorder. It obviously acts like a shutter button to take pictures and videos. You can quickly switch to silent mode from ring mode and vice versa. You can do functions like take screenshot, open SOS, open any app, etc. It is available in two shades, pristine glass and heather glass. It has MediaTek Dimensity 7300X 5G chipset. Its price is under 30k. It has ARM Cortex A75 up to 2.5 GHz, ultra efficient 4nm class chip, 7 lakh plus Antutu benchmark score, 20% reduction in power consumption, 4K video HDR with 50% wider dynamic range, max memory frequency up to 6400 Mbps. It has LPDDR5 8GB plus 8GB virtual RAM, UFS 3.1 storage of 128GB or 256GB. Its Hyper Engine technology provides 20% faster FPS and 20% better energy efficiency than the previous generation to ensure smooth gaming experience and high quality graphics rendering. It has VC cooling technology with copper plated 9-layer heat dissipation module with 5000 mm to 70% larger liquid cooled VC chamber and 3D high performance graphene film. The camera is Sony's 50 megapixel OIS camera with AI super night and portrait algorithms, high specification 6P lens and 1 or 1.55 inch large photo sensitive sensor. As mentioned earlier, you can take selfies with back camera. It has telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 3x telephoto portrait, 30x super zoom, 1.0 micrometer pixel size with 5P lens. It can capture clear images even with zoom. It has dual video mode with simultaneous front and rear recording. It captures great details in night photography. It has Dolby Atmos dual stereo speakers. It is IP64 rated for dust and waterproofing and drop protection up to 1 meter. It supports 14 global and Indian 5G bands along with VONR, VINR, DSS, carrier aggregation. It has Wi-Fi 6E 160 MHz channels, Bluetooth 5.4 and Navic with global GPS coverage and pinpoint accuracy across India. It has 5000 mAh battery, 66 watt super fast charging, Android 14 OS with no ads, bloatware and unwanted apps. It comes with AGNI's Mitra, free phone replacement at home, applicable during 1 year warranty period. If any hardware issues, no repair, instant replacement. They have dedicated service manager, free pick and drop facility, personalized feedback post resolution. Lava ensures Android updates up to version 17 and 4 year security updates. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.